But Bill, if you'll come with me, you'll float too. 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 You'll float too.
So LUMOS has been steadily releasing a great lineup of smart projectors on a budget, and to this day, my LUMOS Ray and Dawn are still standing up strong, providing me with hours of quality entertainment. And recently, they released a brand new smart projector with a cool twist. And what's great about it is that you don't have to find a stand for it because you can hang it pretty much anywhere. And you can enjoy your content, whether on the floor, on the ceiling, on the wall, pretty much wherever you like. So heat up your snacks, chill your drinks, and grab the remote. This is the LUMOS Float. Let's talk about it. Alright, here we go. This is the LUMOS Float, you guys. Check it out. Got the instruction manual. Don't need to show you that. And the standard remote. RCA cables. And of course, the HDMI cable. Got the mounting screws right here. So nice of them to include these. And here we go. The LUMOS Float in silver. Gotta say, on the pictures, pretty huge, but now that we have it in person, it's really nice and small. Plastic yet sturdy build. There you go, you guys. The LUMOS Float. Got an AV plug-in, USB for your media and data, HDMI, infrared, and as always, headphone jack for the external speaker. So what's new with the LUMOS Float? Well, obviously, the LUMOS Float is the first LUMOS smart projector that is 360 degrees rotatable and with a hangable function. And this is not an ordinary stand. Now you can use this to carry the projector around, you know, like a lunchbox or the GameCube. The GameCube. This is actually the sky bracket. This allows you to mount it onto the wall using two pieces of hooks. Now, this is a great way to set up your projector, especially if you have limited space, as there is no need for a tripod stand to prop up. The rotatable function helps you cast the screen onto the wall or up the ceiling, just swing up or down, and the automatic keystone correction makes the calibration so much easier to make sure that you always get the right focus. Well, depends on the length though, you might want to consider investing on a longer HDMI and power cables. Now, as a standard I've gotten used to with LUMOS, you can easily blow up your screen up to 150 inches even from small distances, and with its 3000 lumens of brightness, you can enjoy your shows in a vibrant and richer color quality and high definition because this one packs an impressive 1080p support resolution. The LUMOS Float is running on a custom Android OS and it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it comes with built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube. You can also stream your devices to this projector via Miracast and AirPlay. And one of the most welcome improvements I've seen is that finally, the LUMOS Float has dual speakers now for more immersive cinematic experience. Okay, upon booting up, this is the main menu. Okay, I already fixed the Wi-Fi. As of today, we still don't have a new update, and it comes preloaded with YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Spotify, and Facebook Video. If you want to add some more, you are free to do so because this projector is running on a custom Android OS. Check out YouTube, of course. With all the comebacks this year, as a K-pop fan, I would love to see my biases in the largest way that I could. So it's nice to see that the LUMOS Float presents itself well, and of course, looking forward to Blackpink's 2025 comeback this year with the LUMOS Float. Let's check out S-Bus Whiplash. Check out the available resolution for this. Okay, this is running on 1080p, automatic, and 1080p. That's good. It's bright enough for you to enjoy, especially if you have a dark room. That's where it shines. It's pretty sharp. Of course, 1080p, so no complaints there. Okay, quick note that I am using just the stock speaker. Okay, for me, the sound is acceptable. especially I'm in a big room right now, but if you have a very small room or just room for one or two, it's pretty good. That's good enough, I believe so. And I'm using a 100-inch projection screen. Well, of course, we turn to Netflix for our, chill reasons. So it's nice to see that this is preloaded in the smart version. Lovely runner, of course, definitely. You gotta check it out. Let's check out my favorite K-drama, of course, King the Land, Queen of Tears. Okay, in all honesty, I'm happy with the video quality of this one. 3000 lumens. Yep, sharp, and yeah. Oh man, this episode, shit. Okay, I think I'm gonna watch the whole show again. I'm not complaining. This looks really good. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with the video quality. Okay, I gotta stop Queen of Tears. Otherwise, I'm gonna be rewatching it all over again and not end up finishing this video on time. Oh, okay. Definitely, we gotta check out gaming. Hold on. Okay, what I did was I connected the LUMOS here to my external Bluetooth speaker wirelessly, and it sounds wow. Hoboken. Let's do this. Control type, classic AMOLED, classic Street Fighter. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, okay, come on. Street Fighter in 100 inches. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, you can play Street Fighter with this. There's no input lag. Even if there is, it's not really noticeable. You can pretty much play your fighting games just fine. All right, let's go for a race. You can really feel the energy racing on a big screen like this. As I've said, there's no noticeable lag. I mean, there is, but it doesn't really bother me at all. Yeah, it controls just fine, responsive. Change the view, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a game changer, you guys. Other view. Oh, wow. Racing on this big screen. Man, wow. Alright, so we're all set. If you are looking for a bang for the buck 1080p projector that has all these features and more, especially if you have limited space, then by all means, the LUMOS Float is worth a shot. It looks really good, and as with the past LUMOS devices I have reviewed over the years, this one as well is built to last. You can get your very own LUMOS Float for the low price of 4,999 pesos for the regular version, while you can get the smart version with the built-in apps and TV box for only 7,999 pesos. Comes with free shipping and free HDMI cable, so head on over to lumosprojectors.ph and get your very own unit today. So that's it. Thank you once again, LUMOS, for sending this in. And guys, thank you so much for checking out this review. And as always, like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to this channel for more tech review videos just like this. And this is Jordan. Stay safe, everyone. Peace out.